Guys, in this video, we will be learning how to find the factorial of a number in Python. We have multiple approaches: recursive approach, iterative approach, one-line solution using ternary operator, inbuilt function, math module. Okay, as you can see, if we try to get the factorial of 5, then output will be 120. Okay, so I'm using PyCharm editor and Python 3.12 version which is installed on my machine. So straight away jump to the program. We will try to input one number from the user, that is num. This is the number which we'll be asking, and then we will convert it into int. Okay, if you see the number will be run the program, so it is asking the number. We are saying 7, so it will print 7. Okay, now we'll see what is recursive approach. Okay, we'll be creating one function. We'll be passing a number into this function, and then we have to check if n number equals to 1, or we can say n equals to 0. Then we have to return 1, else return n multiply the same factorial function, and then we have to pass our n minus 1. Okay, this is very simple approach. We have to call the function factorial, and then we have to pass the number which we have asked user to input. Right, let's run the program, run it. We try to produce the same output. We input 5 and the output is 120. Okay, so program is working. We have produced the same output. So this is recursive approach. Let's see what is iterative approach. Okay, just modify this function. We have the same function. Remove all the code. We see iterative approach. We'll check if n less than 0. We say return 0. Check else if number either 1 or 0, n equals to 0 or n equals to 1, then return 1. And if none of the conditions satisfy, then we are saying we are taking one variable f. We have initialized this f with 1, and then we are applying while. In while we are saying if n always greater than 1, then this loop keeps running. Then we are multiplying our n each time, right? And then we are going to say n minus equals to 1, or we can simply say n equals to n minus 1, right? We have to return the f, the factorial. Okay, so this is our factorial ready, and it will be returning, and we are using the same function, you see. Okay, let's in the program. We are getting same number 5, 120. You will see if you're in the program again and you input the different number, let's say 6, it should be 720. Okay, so this is a iterative approach. Okay, using while loop we get the factorial. Now see one line solution. So let's remove all the code from the method. We'll see one line solution. So we are saying return, and we are returning 1 if n 1 or n 0 number equals to 0. In this condition only we are returning 1, else, and if we are returning the factorial only is not either 1 or 0, right? So n multiplying, we are saying the same function, that is recursive, n minus 1. Okay, so let's run the program. If you run and you print, the output is same 120. So this is a one line solution. You see, we are saying if this condition is satisfied, then return 1. Otherwise you just do the factorial with recursive approach. That is simple. Now the last approach, which is very simple and very quick one, that is inbuilt function. We have to use a module. So we are importing one module, that is math. Okay, so there is inbuilt function in the math module. We can use, instead of this one line statement, we are saying math dot factorial. Very simple, right? Just pass on the number which you are asking from the user. Okay, so this is very simple. Math module you have used, factorial is an inbuilt function there, you see. Okay, if it is negative it will raise value error. Okay, it will return int, right? Let's in the program again. We input the same number 5, it is showing 120. Okay, the same output we have produced by using math module. Factorial function we have used. If you try to input the negative number, then see what would happen. Let's run the program again. -7. So it will show you the error, value error, as it is mentioning in the function. You say raise a value error if x is negative or non-integral. Right? I hope you find the solution useful. We have seen multiple approaches to get the factorial of a number in Python.
That brings us to the end of the today's video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things tech related. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.